right, hey, this JD and FI. Just want to give you these close-out chords you can do here in the key of G flat. All right, so that's what we're doing here. Then we're gonna close it out with this chord here. All right, so what we're doing here, we're closing out in the key of G flat. All right, so we're gonna left hand, just gonna do these chords here. All right, we're in the key of G flat. All right, so let me give you these chords. All right, so first I'm playing a B flat minor 9 chord. All right, and it is played this way. I'm playing A flat, C, D flat, and F. All right, so B flat is we're playing a B flat minor 9. All right, so A flat is our dominant 7, C is our 9, D flat is our minor 3rd, F is our 5th. So it's an inverted B flat minor 9 chord. All right, rootless. All right, next I'm gonna take that down to a G diminished 7. So I'm gonna go B flat minor 9, G diminished 7, G, B flat, D flat, E. Then I'm gonna take it to an A flat minor 9, playing it the same way I played the B flat minor 9. So I'm playing G flat, B flat, B, E flat. You can put that over A flat, you have an A flat minor 9. So I'm playing B flat, G diminished, A flat. Then I'm gonna drop my thumb to play my D flat, my 5 chord. Drop that, not thumb, but my pinky to F. So take the A flat minor 9 and just drop your pinky to the F. All right, so you're all together, B flat, G, A flat, D flat. It's a 5 chord. All right, play that over your 5. All right, and then for my 1 chord, I'm playing. Just let me give you the notes right now, and I'll explain it later. So we got D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. All right. Now remember, I told you that's like a drop 2 voicing. Usually, if you're in the key of G flat, you'll end on the G flat in your bass. All right, but we're ending on a D flat because we're utilizing the drop 2. If you take go ahead and show you. If you take a G flat major 7 chord, G flat, B flat, D flat, F. All right. And if you take the second note, drop 2 is just taking the second note from the top and putting it at the bottom. So I'm gonna take this D flat and I'm gonna put it at the bottom. So then that's my chord. All right. And the way I'm playing it in this particular melody, it's like this. I'm adding the 13, which is E flat, and then I got the major 7, F, the 9, A flat, and then the G flat, the root. All right. So the left hand, B flat, G, A flat, D flat, drop 2, G flat. All right. Right hand, simple. You're gonna play G flat major first, second inversion. So I got D flat, G flat, B flat. All right. Then I'm gonna hit the A flat, and then when I play the G diminished 7 in my left hand, I'm gonna play another G flat major chord. This time first inversion in my right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. All right, so we got G flat over B flat minor 7, or B flat minor 9 in my left hand. Hit the A flat to the G diminished 7 in my left hand with G flat major in my right hand. All right, so all together, it's like a real big fat diminished. Screen says E diminished 7/9 over G, so I can see where they say that. Got that diminished there, same 2 notes. All right, so yeah, interesting chord. All right, so then you're gonna play, hit the E flat by itself, and then when you play that A flat minor 9 chord in your left hand, you're gonna play this on your right hand, G flat, A flat, D flat. Hit the D flat by itself, and then hit your 5 chord. You're gonna play like I told you, play the F, B flat, B, E flat in your left hand. Right hand, you're gonna play a D flat major first inversion. F, A flat, D flat. Alright, so B flat minor 9 over with G flat in my right hand. The A flat, G flat in my right hand with the G diminished in my left hand. E flat, A flat minor 9 in my left hand. G flat, A flat, D flat in my right hand. Hit the D flat by itself. Take it down to a D flat major in my right hand. F, A flat, D flat. Over that chord in my right hand, my left hand that I showed you. All right. So real time. All right. Hit the G flat up top, and then when you hit that G flat, you're gonna land your chord. Once again, that's D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, F, A flat, G flat. Remember, this chord comes from a drop 2. All right, so just take the basic G flat major, take the second note from the top, drop it to the bottom. All right, we're gonna fatten it up by adding the 13th, the E flat. Got my major 7, 9. All right, if you can't reach that G flat up top, maybe just play the E flat. It'll sound good. That's with the E flat and with the G flat. All right. I like the G flat a little bit better. All right, so yeah, just wanted to give you these chords. Felt like giving them today. Haven't been on here in a while. But that's very pretty. You can kind of just play along with it and try to find a song that it'll fit to. And you'll be that guy for today. All right. Hope they help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.